Good morning. This is Taya, and this morning I decided something. I'll show you later. Reisi, Sally, Peach, cheese, cheese. No? Goed zo. And Daisy. And Maren is helping. And Glendy. And Rijntje is here because we are cleaning her stall. And Dolly. Hey, Dolly. Dolly is going to her new home in a moment. Goed zo. Well, I hope to see her again. But she's going today. Hey, Silke. There they coming. Hey, Ryan. What are you doing here?
Goed zo.
Goed zo.
Goed zo. We have a horse for you.
A horse?
A horse, yeah.
A horse?
You know a horse?
A horse, of course. Reina?
Is the verrassing of the day.
Yes, I didn't tell it yet to the viewers.
Goed zo, goed zo. Ja, goed zo.
Well, hello. Reina. That's her brother, Tyrone. And there are two of her sisters, Yveske and Boukje.
Zou die net erheen weten komen?
Nee. Oké. Huh?
Nou, wat we dat nog even willen.
Dit is een kind van Johnny. Een liedje Johnny. En dat is haar man die ernaast zit, Daisy. Yes, Rijntje, that's your daughter. Reina. Hey, Reina. Hey, Reina. Hello. Well, this is a surprise for you. Yes, Dolly, that's your big sister. Hey. Yes. Who is that? Ja, Reisi. Doe maar, in de box. In de box. Nee.
Zit je bij de winkel?
Reisi.
Dan is dat Hugo. En de Hugo.
Maar jullie kronen en hij vindt hij niet? Kronen en hij vindt hij niet.
Tarijn en Yvonne. Dolly en Yvonne.
Ja, nooit uit op haar. Welkom. Nou, doe die en dat.
Ja, ik vind het wel leuk vallen, hè?
Doe die hele vlucht. Oh, ik is het verschrikkelijk. Ja, oh.
Oh, Rijntje. There she goes. But there's your other daughter. There they go. Tyrone and Dolly. And there's Taya. Hi. And there are Maren en Ryan.
Hallo.
Hallo. Doe maar, Dolly.
Very maat, man.
Hey, dit is wat. En Tyrone. Hey, I changed him with Raina. George. Hey, George. But this morning we thought we can change them. That's Alina. And that's Dolly. Hey, Raina. So yesterday I were here too,
Oké.
and I thought, who is who? This is Fokelien.
Die is van Reina.
From Raina.
Dit is Sharon Butt.
Oh yeah,
Dat is Rijntje en Reina. Heel veel haar.
a lot of hair.
En dat is de aangekochte. Elske.
Elske? Oh ja,
Dit is Fanatiek.
fanatiek. That's all we know. Okay, so Elske and Fokelien and Fanatiek are new friends of Dolly.
Help me mee. Eerst in de bak. Ja.
Welke is het nog?
Die middelste van het draaien nou. Deze, ja.
De witte.
Hey, goed zo. Braaf. Oh, Dolly, goed zo. This is Vogeline. And Vogeline, her sire is Martinez. And that's how horses do when they met each other. But the sire of Dolly, Dolly is in the back now, is also Martinez. And Rijntje is mom of Dolly and mom of Reina. And Reina, her foal, is Vogeline. So they are sisters and niece. That's possible with horses. Hey, Elske. Hey, Dolly. Kom maar. Dolly. Hey, kom maar. Dolly. Yes. Soon you are friends. And Tyrone, but he is he is used to this home. He was born here and raised here, and so I think he likes it. Well, next time I go here again. We go home now. Rijntje. Hey, sorry. Reina. Hey, Reina. Kiki. En Joeke. Reina. Rijssie. Sally. Rijntje. Yveske. Belle. Boukje. En Blomke. Daisy. Oh, wow. Those are from Maren. Beautiful. Glendy. Ryan and me brushed her again. Well, there was a lot of hair. She's sweating. Oh, you have too much hair. Hey. and beach. Hey, do you like it over here? Hey, Reina.